Thanks to CIL Insurance, Australia's leading specialist caravan and RV insurer, we're here to show you some important safety tips to consider before heading off on your next caravanning or RV adventure. Your caravan can be subjected to extreme forces and weather conditions, so it's really important to keep it regularly serviced and maintained. First, you need to have a qualified and authorised service repair company you trust. Your insurance specialist can help you find the right one. Your service normally includes an overall inspection of the van, and all roof and window seals are checked for integrity. The industry suggests your van be serviced every 10,000 kilometres or annually every 12 months. If the service indicates that maintenance is required, you're already in the right place and the work can be done. Usually your tyres will be replaced and seals repaired. This safety tip was brought to you by CIL Insurance. CIL Insurance, Australia's leading specialist caravan and RV insurer. For more information, go to cilinsurance.com.au.